Welcome to the DRiP activity tutorial. In this video, we will set our DRiP profile, purchase some droplets, subscribe to artists, and claim some cNFTs in just a couple of minutes. Go to the DRiP.house website. On the main page, click on the Start Collecting button, then choose the Phantom extension and confirm the sign-in message. Agree to the terms of service and start registering your profile. Enter your username and choose a profile picture, then click on the Create Profile button. Now you can see how the droplets system works. We'll discuss it in more detail later. In the next window, you have to choose at least 3 artists of your choice to continue. We highly recommend that you follow as many artists as possible. It will increase your chances of getting rare collectibles every week. Explore the remaining features to continue. On the main page, you can see that your droplets balance is low. There are different ways to top up your balance. The easiest one is to buy some more. Click on the droplets icon, then click on the Purchase button and choose the preferred number of droplets. Now, you can proceed to payment. Of course, you need some Solana in your wallet. After a successful purchase, you could try your luck in the minigame. Click on the chest icon and start playing. In this game, you have a small chance of obtaining rare or legendary collectibles, which have a higher XP value than common ones. Back on the main page, click on the Start Securing button. Remember that securing a collectible costs you 10 droplets. We recommend you to like some collectibles from time to time, as this will increase your chance of getting rare collectibles from artists you support. Click on the Secure button to collect NFTs and earn XP, which will increase the level of your monthly badge. You can check the progress of your badge on your profile.